Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you how to download and install the SmartTube Next application to your FireStick. This is going to be a full guide video. That means I will show you everything you need to do on your Fire TV to install the SmartTube application or to download and install the SmartTube application. So please, you might want to watch this video carefully right up to the end and do well not to miss a step. Also, if you find the video helpful, do me a favor if you can, like, subscribe and share for me to be able to create more videos like this. That's it, let's get started. Now, you're watching my Fire TV, and as I said, I will show everything starting from scratch right up to the very most important step. So let's get started. On my Fire TV, to install the SmartTube Next, since it is not available on my app store over here, I will need to use the downloader application. Now, since I'm using the downloader application, then the very first step is for me to install the downloader application to my Fire TV, which is quite simple. Come over to the Find button, click on Search, and then you type in the download application. So in most cases, once you type in D, you're going to get a suggestion over here, and all you need to do is to go over to it over here, and here's the application we are looking for, Downloader. Downloader is an application that allows us to install applications to our Fire TV. Now, as you already see, I already have the application installed on my Fire TV. If you don't have the application installed, what you need to do is once you go over here and you search just the same way I did and you click on it, it is going to bring you to the page to install the application. The only reason it came to mind straight away here is because I already have the application installed on my Fire TV. So please make sure to install the application on your Fire TV because that's the very first and most important step. Now, after installing Downloader, we need to do something next, which is very important. Now, before I get to that step, I want to say Fire TV recently released a new version called Recent, and that version doesn't allow you to sideload certain applications, especially applications that the deem will help you watch certain movies on the internet. So installing applications like this on your Fire TV might not be possible on the recent Fire TV applications or Fire TV devices, but if you're still using an Android Fire TV devices like me, then you have no problems sideloading or installing applications from the internet. And the only thing you need to do is to turn on the feature that allows you to install applications from unknown sources. So I just want you to know that because you might be trying this on your Fire TV, which is the recent version, and it's not working. Please, it's not because of the video, it's simply because your Fire TV operating system doesn't allow. But if you have the Fire TV operating system that has the Android OS, then let's move forward. Now, the next big step after installing Downloader is for us to turn on the feature on our Fire TV device that allows us to install applications from unknown sources. To do that, go over to your settings over here, and in your settings, come to the settings that says My Fire TV. In these settings, you're going to see this option that says Developer Options. Now, if you don't see this option, then you need to make it appear over here, and let me show you how to do that. It is very simple. Come to the option that says About, click on it, and on the name of your Fire TV, as you can see, mine is a Fire TV Stick 4K, which is the old version. Now just click on it 5 times or click the OK button 5 times till you see a pop-up below that says no need, you are already a developer. Once you see that pop-up, then the developer option has been turned on your Fire TV. And the next thing you need to do is to come over to it, and you see this second option. That's what we are most interested in. It says Apps from Unknown Sources. This is the option that allows us to install applications from unknown sources. So on your Fire TV, for you to install applications using Downloader or Google or any site that is not the App Store, you need to make sure that this option is turned on your Fire TV. If it is not, then you wouldn't be able to install any application from any unknown source. So please turn this on. Once you turn it on, you've done the two most important steps, or the two first important steps, which is installing Downloader, and the next one is turning on the installation from unknown sources. So the next thing we need to do on our Fire TV device is to go over to a downloader application, which is simple. Go over here, here's Downloader. Yeah, you might be wondering, I play BB buggy on my Fire TV. So we'll come to downloader. This is how to use downloader. To use downloader to install applications, what you simply need to do is to type in a code over here to install the applications. Now let's say for installing the SmartTube next, the code we need to type is 12078868. So this is a code. Please type it exactly as you see on my screen right here. If you cannot memorize this, please screenshot or write it on a piece of paper, because if you make a mistake the code won't work. Now after typing the code, just click on go or ok, and it's going to go straight away to downloading the application to our Fire TV. As you can see, here's the application that will start downloading, and this is a new version of the SmartTube Next application. So just give it a second, the application is going to download to your Fire TV device, and that is it quickly downloading. Please, I just want to see, while using your Fire TV to browse or install applications like this, it is recommendable 100% for you to use a VPN, because a VPN keeps you secure on the internet, and also a VPN helps you to unlock certain content on the internet. So check the description of this video. There is a VPN over there to subscribe to. Now after downloading, all you need to do is to click on install, and the application is going to start installing to your Fire TV. Here's it. It's completely going to install, and once it's installed, now you can go ahead and launch the application on your Fire TV. So here's it. The application has been downloaded and installed. So click done and delete the file from your Fire TV to save space, and then you can return home over here. So just close the download application and return home, and let's see the application that was installed to our Fire TV. So if you return home and refresh, you are going to see the SmartTube Next application over here. Just here's the application we're looking for, and we've downloaded and installed it to our Fire TV. Now you can go ahead and launch it on your Fire TV, and then you can go ahead and start using it. So this is how it's going to look like. Sorry, I am going to be blurring this on my Fire TV device. So what you need to do is to sign into your account over here and refresh, and then you can be able to see content. So you need to sign in, please. It's very important for you to sign in. You cannot use this particular version without signing in. So start by signing in with your Google account, and then after signing in, you'll be able to use the application on your Fire TV device. So that's how it looks like, and that's what you need to do to download or install this application to your Fire TV device. This was very easy, and I'm sure you've learned a new way to install this application. Please, if you find the video helpful, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. And also, if you want me to create a particular video on a particular topic for you, or how to install a particular application, please just let me know on my comment section, and I'll do well to create a good video for you.